All right, activity time. Find a solution to the equation cos x equals x cubed. Okay. I guess we just have to find where these equations are equivalent. Okay. I have no idea what the heck's going on here, so let's read it. Okay. Consider the prove. Okay, I'm not going to do any of that. Let's just assume Newton knew what he was doing and ignore the math. And okay, what do we have to do? Blah blah blah. Okay, write a function approx x. That gives the approximation based on the formula right here. Okay. I can do this. I know I can do this. So I've got my interpreter and script loaded up. So def approx x, and it's going to take an x. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're in good shape. And what was the formula here? I'm just looking back at the website. Pardon me. Okay, so we need to compute x minus, and I always mess up my math with the brackets and whatnot, so you'll have to bear with me here. I know I've got something that looks like this. I've got cos. Oh, where the heck? You know what? We don't have cos by default. We have to import math. Okay, there we go. So now we need to call math.cos of x. And what does the formula say? Minus x cubed. Okay, minus x cubed. Okay. And then I'm looking quickly back at the website. Pardon me. We have negative sine x minus 3 times x squared. Okay, so -1 times math.sine of x minus 3 times x squared. Okay. And then I guess, yeah, that should do it for that function. What else do we have to do? Let's quickly switch on back. We have to write another function that calls the function approx x. Well, x is not equal to oh, okay. Well, we can do this. We can do this. So let's switch back on over to the script and interpreter. And I guess I'll just call this function def do something, and it's going to take the x. Okay. So while x is not equal to approx x of x, what do we want to do? Well, we want to update what x is, because we're gonna keep computing x. We're gonna converge onto something. So we're gonna say x is equal to approx x of whatever x is. We're gonna keep updating x until there's no change in x. So that'll tell us when we've basically converged onto the solution. Okay, and you know what I'm gonna do every time? I'm gonna print x. Yeah, and then we'll see if we're approaching the x value. So let's load up 6.3 into the interpreter and run do something. And I know we need to give it a value between 0 and 1. And 0.5 seems as good of a value of anything. So let's run. Oh, what did I do wrong here? Do something. Oh, I'm saying run. Let's ignore that. There we go. So we keep going, and I guess we get the value 0.86547. Is that right? I know Wolfram Alpha will let me know, so I'll go there and figure out when cos of x is equal to x cubed. Let's have a quick look here. And I guess it's when it's 0.865474. And let's go quickly back to our interpreter, and we have 0.86547. Awesome, it looks like it worked. Good.